Hey everyone, in this lesson you'll learn more about color and color theory. Colors are a very small part of a huge spectrum known as the electromagnetic spectrum. You can see here that it ranges from gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, to visible light, to infrared, microwaves, radar, radio, broadcast waves. There's all sorts of waves in there. There's a lot to that whole spectrum, but for us as photographers, we will just be talking about that tiny little sliver in the middle of visible light. That's a light that we as humans are actually able to see. As you can see, the visible light spectrum goes from violet and cooler colors to warmer colors, eventually up to red. Within this visible light spectrum are all the possible colors we as humans are able to see, and all the colors that we are photographing. Now, understanding this isn't going to change your ability to take great photos, but it will help you understand why some photographs seem to evoke certain emotions from you or might seem more dynamic. The more we pay attention to what colors are in our frame, the more dynamic images we can capture. Here are a few things to understand about colors that will make your photos better. First off is hue. The hue refers to the position of a color on the color wheel, as you can see here, each of which represent a certain spectrum of light. There are many kinds of blue, for example, light, dark, vibrant, pale. Blue refers to the hue, which can change in style. Value is the lightness or darkness of a color. It really just comes down to that. How bright is it or how dark is it? You can see that on this scale here. Saturation is the relative strength or weakness of a color hue. Really just how much those colors stand out or how pulled back they are. In the next lesson, we'll show you ways to use this practically to get better photos.